Hi, Si here from Music Radar. We're in NAMM 2020. This is the Arturia booth. We're with Brian once again. Hi, Brian.
Hi, Si. You're awesome. We love you.
Thank you. So are you.
Thank you.
And you're going to be even more awesome because you're going to show us the firmware update on Microfreak.
Yes. So this was announced about 45 minutes ago.
Brilliant.
NAMM exclusive for you guys. You're the first to see this.
Cool.
So Microfreak was announced this time last year at the show. So it's been out for a year. It's been a great success. People really love it. It's fun to play with. It's got tons of features, good sound, and for sound design, it's awesome. So we decided that we wanted to add a little bit more to this little good sounding beast. One of the things that we've managed to do is to add a new oscillator to it. So when you buy it out the box, if you have it already, it's got 11 different oscillator types in there. So it's a digital monosynthesizer, but it's got the analog filters on there. So we've added a new noise oscillator, which is quite different to the other oscillators that already come with it. It's great for doing kind of little percussive kind of sounds, but it's also very interesting if you're making pad sounds with movement just to modulate the noise that's in there. And you get to that simply just by turning type. You've got the noise, and then you can manipulate the noise levels, the frequencies, the tuning, etc., etc. So if you want to create your own like classic drum machine sounds, like if it's the hats or the nice like splashy open snare kind of sound, you can create all of that here. And then obviously put on the sequencer, and then you can have different noise patterns going on in the background. So that's one of the big features that we've added to this. It's a free firmware update. So anyone who's got it, just download the firmware, update it, and you're ready to go. Cool. We've also added a chord mode, which is really useful. So although it's a monophonic synthesizer, it's 4 parts paraphonic. So what you now can do is if you just hold one button and play a chord, when you release it, that chord is going to be assigned to that note. And it's very easy to overwrite it. If you don't like that chord, you can just overwrite it. Where that becomes very interesting is when you put the arpeggiator or the sequencer on, you're not going to be arpeggiating or sequencing just one note. You're going to be sequencing a whole chord pattern, which it sounds really good, and it just gives you a lot more depth of your sound. So really nice, really useful. Other things we've added in a scale mode as well. So you've got different scale types in there. So if you're somebody like me who likes to play everything in minor, you can just put on the minor chords, and then as you play this, it's only going to be the minor play. And various other chord types and chord shapes are going to be in there. When you get the software as well, the new firmware update, we've got 64 new presets, which you can download onto this. So it already comes with 128 presets. Now you've got another 64 on top of that. All the, from classic synth lead pad sounds to quite experimental sound effects by using the noise oscillator, because that's great for those like Doctor Who type sound effects that are going on. And then one of the other features that we've got is just being able to copy from sequencer A to sequencer B. So if you've created a very nice pattern in sequencer A, but you want the same pattern on B and change it a little bit, you can just copy from one to the other. And a few little other fixes that we've done on here. But essentially, it's the same product, still small, still portable, great controller. It just uses as a controller keyboard. It's so sensitive. And the firmware update's available now, and it's free. So get it and enjoy it.
Oh, we will. Thank you so much, Brian.
Thank you.
Please like, subscribe, comment, and share if you've seen this video right now, and do check out musicradar.com for all the latest NAMM news from this show as we get it. So we'll see you soon. Bye.
Thank you.